What's up, guys? Just making another video. Today it's probably gonna be a long video. I'm gonna be working on the wagon, so we're gonna be doing we're gonna rebuild the whole suspension. So I'm gonna be putting some new upper control arms. So I got these. These are Wagon Racing. So I just gotta assemble them, and then I'm gonna take off the old ones. The ones I have right now on the wagon are the PCI first gens. Those are a little too stiff for the car. So I got these. And then the ones for the PCI, I'm going to save those for the hatch. Those are going to go to the hatch. And then we're going to also be doing the steering rack, rack and pinion with the tie rods as well. And then I'm also going to be doing the rear trailing arm bushing and the compensator arm. I have a full adjustable Blackworks compensator arms. We're going to add those two on the wagon. So these are going to be clips. I'm going to be just getting everything together, and I'm just going to make a whole video out of it. So just I'll keep you posted on everything. So these are the Blackworks compensator arms, full adjustable. So these are for 88 to, I believe, 2000 Honda Civics. So we're going to be running those. And then Mega Racing upper control arms. And I also got some rear camper kits too. We're going to be swapping them out too. I got some hard race as well. So they're definitely going to be matching with the upper control arms, with the color. Alright guys, so I put the upper control arm. So right now, just disconnecting the tie rod. It'll be easier so I can take it off from over here. And then I'm probably gonna pull this knuckle. I gotta replace the ball joint. So luckily with ordering the steering rack, it came with some ball joints. I'm definitely gonna install those. But it's coming out good though. Alright guys, so I already took off the steering rack. Steering rack's there. So I decided to just take off the tie rods, make it easier. What I did, I just pulled it down. Well, actually loose up the two bolts over here, and then the little bracket here, 14 millimeters on both sides. And then the 10 millimeter inside, that was a pain in the ass, but I was able to take it, break it loose. And then I just pushed it down. And what I did is just pulled it, and then twisted it. And then after that, I just pushed it all the way this way. So took that out, and we're gonna put the new one in. Just giving you guys an update on it. Here's the comparison with the old one and the new one. So guys, I'm just giving you another update. I just got my new brakes and rotors for the wagon. We're going to be installing those as well. Alright, took out the knuckle, guys. I'm going to replace the ball joint for this one. These were new. I did these back in September, but I guess just got destroyed. Because the one on passenger side is still good, so I might just leave that one. But I'm going to replace this one. And also did the wheel hub bearings on these as well. But we're gonna put the ball joint on that so I can put this back. Got the tie rod in with the steering rack. And then I also got the brake and rotors. I'm gonna replace them. So I'm probably just save this one. It's still in good condition. So I'm gonna knock this out, guys. Alright guys, got the passenger side upper control arm, but we're just gonna switch plans. So I'm gonna take off the whole knuckle and the brake caliper. We're gonna upgrade it because I noticed that this one has a leak, and the one on the driver's side, it started leaking from inside the piston. So I have a set of Integra DA. These were my old ones from my old CRX. We're gonna put these on use, and I got some steel brake lines on it, and then I got some Hawk HP brake pads, and then some eBay rotors with ARP extended studs. So I'm just gonna take off the Skunk 2 upper control arm and then put that in here. We're gonna bleed the system as well and put some new brake fluid. All right guys, got the passenger on. DA spindle, caliber, bigger brakes, and then with a ARP extended studs and steel brake line. And then here's the old one. Now I just gotta do the driver's side. All right guys, driver's side is on. Just gotta put the fork on the lowering control arm. But brake line tight, tie rod installed, ball joint as well with a cotter pin. So I just gotta put a cotter pin on the upper control arm. So these are the DA Integra brake setup. So we're gonna be running these. So guys, making another video. So the spindles, brake calipers, steel brake lines, all installed. I already bled the system as well. So the car is already ready. And then tie rod as well. So the old calipers were leaking on the driver's side. Inside the piston, it was leaking. And then the one on the passenger from outside, it was leaking. So I decided to just upgrade the brakes, went with the BBK Set Up, Integra spindles and calipers from the Integra DAs from 90 to 93. So I had these just stored away. These were from my old build from my CRX. So put those on the wagon. So right now I'm just charging the battery. So I'm gonna go put the wheels back on and then go for a drive and see how the brakes are. So keep you guys updated. What's up guys? Making another video. Just came back from the alignment shop. Got the car aligned. So everything's good. It's back on the road. And then got 2 new set of tires. Put them on my other set of buddy clips. And then this one and that one, I had those on my RPF ones. So these are 215s 50 15, and then these are 225 45 15s. So I got these on the buddy clubs. I'm gonna try to use these for when I take them to the track. And still want to track this car. I know it's not the fastest, but it's still a fun car to drive out there. So this past weekend it was the first event, so I couldn't make it because I didn't get a chance to take the car to the alignment until today. Today's Monday. But next event should be, I believe, next month. But I'll try to get some videos out there when I take the car out there, guys. And I'll keep you guys posted. So keep you guys updated on the wagon.